Hey, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic with your tech tip for today. Today we're going to show you how to install a pilot bushing on your engine. Now there's two different types. There's a pilot bushing and there's a pilot bearing. Pilot bearing has needle bearings in there and I've had them fail, and one time it took out an input shaft, so I only use these now. This is actually for a second gen Pontiac, but they will work in your LS engine. You can get them online. Check out Third Pedal Engineering. We'll have these for you. It's really easy to install, so keep watching. The purpose of this is to support the input shaft of your transmission when you have it installed. There's two sides of it. This one kind of has a hard edge to it, and this one is more rounded. When you install it, you want the rounded edge facing out. That way, when you install the transmission, it's easier to get the input shaft to slide into it. So be sure you install it correctly like that. The way we're going to install this is we're going to get it lined up with the hole, then we'll tap it with a hammer until it's not loose anymore. After that, we have this socket that fits all the way to the edge. We're going to hit it with the hammer until the bushing sits flush with this. If you saw our video where we installed the oil cap, you can feel the edge in there. We want it to go all the way to that edge, which will make it sit flush here. The reason we're using the socket is we don't want to mar this edge up and make it more difficult to get it in or leave a rough edge that'll chew into your input shaft. So we're going to get it sitting there. Tap it with that hammer. Then we're going to use the socket. Until it's flush with that edge. Now I could have used a better hammer. Probably should have used a better hammer. That was kind of dumb, but you get the idea. Socket. Could use a thicker socket. I could have done some things differently, but you get the general idea. A lot of people might not have any better tools than this to install it. Everybody's got a hammer. You might not have a mini sledge or something else to be able to knock that in. If you don't have a socket this big, I'm sure you have a socket that's that diameter, and you can put an extension on the end and knock it in, or something else that's that diameter that's hard enough to push it all the way in. We don't want people to watch our videos and think, I can't do it because I don't have that tool. Everybody has the tools to do this. If you have anything else you'd like to learn about, any other tools you'd like to see, post down below in the comments. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at The Midnight Mech, TikTok at The Midnight Mechanic. Check our other page out, Third Pedal Engineering, and we'll see you guys next time.